braking with water, 35 kilograms less weight at higher continuous braking output. The new secondary water retarder from Voith brakes with the coolant of the engine. A revolutionary hydrodynamic continuous braking system that brakes trucks and coaches wear-free, safe, economical, and sustainable. The Voith secondary water retarder is integrated into the cooling circuit of the vehicle and connected to the transmission via a step-up gear. The coolant of the engine serves as operating medium. The retarder is activated either via the multifunction lever at the steering wheel or the braking pedal of the vehicle. The retarder control module, RCM, the electronic control unit of the retarder, communicates with the braking management via the CAN bus interface. What can a secondary water retarder do? How does it work? And which other advantages does it offer? For example, during the braking process. When the retarder is activated via the multifunction lever or the foot brake pedal, the required braking torque is sent to the RCM via the vehicle onboard computer. The RCM applies control pressure to the valve block. The filling duct of the retarder is opened. Via filling slots in the stator, coolant flows into the operating circuit between stator and rotor. The moving rotor accelerates the coolant in its rotary motion. At the same time, a helical gear shifts the rotor position from idling operation into braking operation. In the stator, the coolant is redirected and guided back to the rotor. As a result, the rotor, and therefore the prop shaft, is decelerated. The vehicle is slowed down. Heat generated in this process is dissipated quickly and effectively via the vehicle cooling system. During the braking process, the Voith secondary water retarder supports the water pump of the engine with its own additional pumping effect. It increases the coolant flow and improves the continuous braking performance of the retarder by approximately 20 to 30%. After every braking operation, the retarder is drained and a spring moves the rotor back into idling position via a helical gear. The shifting of the rotor away from the stator prevents losses in the operating circuit. Acting ecologically means acting economically with measurable sustainability. Up to 35 kilograms less weight compared to oil retarders with identical braking output. 520 kilowatts. No maintenance or service required. No consumables or labor cost. No waste oil disposal. Approximately 80% less brake dust emission due to lower brake wear. No need for additional operating medium due to utilization of the engine coolant. Modular design allows accurate separation of recyclable materials. EU End-of-Life Vehicle Directive 2053 EG. Sustainable protection of the environment. Driving safely and reducing costs with the Voith secondary water retarder. Voith, engineered reliability.